Hi everyone, this is Courtney, Viper Fox Studios. I am doing a quick little video, just a little how-to, so that it will help some of you who need my videos to either go faster or slower when you're working along with them. All those settings are actually in your control, not mine. I'm not going to ever be able to crochet faster while filming myself, while reading a pattern, while making sure that I'm in actual frame of the camera. I am not going to change, but you can change and you can do some really easy things all by yourself. I want to show you this is what the tutorial would look like if you were on a laptop or a computer, but regardless of whether you are going on your laptop or on a mobile device, you can change the playback settings on any video. For the actual computer, you will see a little cog looking wheel thing right down here. That is what you are looking for. When you click on that, it's going to give you some different options, playback speed being one of them. So if normal speed, the way that I upload the video, the way that I naturally talk, is too slow for you or too fast for you, you can click on that and you can make it faster, and it gives you different increments that you can select. Or from normal going in the opposite direction, it'll slow it down. It's completely up to you. If you are on a mobile device, up here in the upper right hand corner, when you're on a mobile device, tablet, cell phone, whatever, and the same little drop down of options will come up for you, just like we found down here with the little cogwheel looking deal, little settings guy. You're going to see those same settings available to you on the mobile device. That is hopefully going to help some of you who really need me to go faster or slower when you are working along with the video. And of course, you can always make changes to your playback speed and take it back to normal if you find that you don't like it. Doing it, I think, up to the 1.5 times speed, I'm still not too terribly chipmunky, but I could be wrong. Could sound like a chipmunk, but I'll be working faster. So there you go. Hopefully you will find this to be helpful. Maybe you didn't know about that setting. Same thing with other settings. Explore those different settings. There's closed captions down here. You can have it roll to the next video in the playlist. Lots of things that you can do here on YouTube. And if there's ever a feature you're not sure exists, or you know it exists because people have mentioned it, but you don't know how to access it, there are people that do way better videos on this type of thing, showing you how to work YouTube and all the settings and features. So you can just go into the search bar, type in what you're looking for, and you'll be able to find it that way and find a much better video probably than anything I could ever shoot for this type of thing that I'm trying to do here. So hopefully this is helpful though. Thank you so much for your time. And if you did find it helpful, if it's a setting you weren't aware of, I'm just basing that off of comments that I get, and I'm telling people this all the time. I'm guessing a lot of people may not realize that you can change playback speed. Hopefully now you do, and hopefully that's a feature you will use. Until next time, bye for now.